Okay, so you all are welcome here in this quiz. Now I am going to start the quiz. This is your quiz of polynomial. First question is define polynomial. Question number 1 is define polynomial. Answer it fast. 30 seconds for you. 5 students have answered it. 7 students. Be fast. Be fast. Okay, time up. And now 7 students have answered. Beta, if you are not able to be in that, don't worry. Okay. Now, let's see the result. Who has scored more? Lakshita. Congratulations to Lakshita. Yeah, answer it very fast and scored 940 marks. Okay, come to the next one. Classify the type of polynomial. Time is going to be up. Hurry up. Okay, 7 students have answered it right. Let's see who are there. Sujal Rana, very good. Because this is time dependent also. Okay, so you have to be quick. जो marks हैं, they are according to you. Okay, according to the time. जितनी जल्दी आप करेंगे, the marks will be there. Correction भी होनी चाहिए and time limit is also there. Okay, so you have to be quick. Come to the next one. Next question is in front of you. Classify the type of polynomial. It's a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial. Hurry up, be fast. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Be fast. Be fast. Okay, 25 students only. Why it is so? बेटा थोड़ा थोड़ा जल्दी करना है. Okay. You have to be quick. Okay, जब तक आप जल्दी नहीं करेंगे, it's not then possible. Okay, so be quick in this. So I'm giving the next question because 12, 13 students are answering it. 33 students are in this game. So be quick for this. Okay, come to the next. Here, Sukhchen. Very good, Sukhchen. You are on first place. Next is here. Classify the type. Type of polynomial. Be fast. Fourteen students have answered. Be fast. Be fast. Be quick. Question is easy. 4, 3, 2. 3 are there, na? Only 3 are there. See, I am telling the answers also. If there is a problem in it, see how many are there? 3. 3 values were there. 3 terms were there. So accordingly, if 3 terms were there, then it is trinomial. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Trinomial. Come to the next one. Okay, let's see that who is on first. That is Sukhchen. Okay, congratulations again. Come to the next question. And what type of polynomial am I? What type of polynomial am I? देखो जरा कौन सा है? Positive, even, positive, odd, negative, even. Time going to be up. Be fast. Only 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see. Only 4 students have answered it correctly. That is Lakshita. Lakshita is on first now. Okay, that's good. Question is there. Okay, I'm skipping it. It's not a good one. Next. Okay. Come to the next one. Classify the type. You all know type of polynomial. Type of polynomial. सबको पता है. 15 plus 4b. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Classify the type. 15 plus b. 4b. कैसी type है? जल्दी करो. 3, 2, and now it is up. Okay. So 22 students. Very good. It means you are getting it. देखो जरा. If there is a problem here, can you see it? 15 plus 4b है बेटा. 15 plus 4b means how many? 2. 2 terms है. How many terms are there? 2. अगर 2 terms है तो क्या बनेगा? Binomial. We called it binomial. Okay. Let's see the another one. Okay. Let's see that who is on first. That is again Lakshita. Come to the next one. State the degree and type of polynomial. State the degree and type of polynomial. 1 minute for this. Only 20 seconds. 16. So be fast. 3 students again left. तीन बच्चे हैं अभी भी जो रह गए हैं. डिग्री 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 क्या होती है? हाईएस्ट पावर. टाइप किस तरह की टाइप है? मोनोमियल है. सॉरी टाइप टाइप मींस क्वाड्रेटिक. ओके क्वाड्रेटिक है या कैसा है ये? यू हैव टू टेल दिस. So here 8 students have answered it correctly. That is very good. Okay. Come to the next one. Let's see who have answered it right. Chen. Good. And Shreya is also in the leading. Type of polynomial and its degree. Seconds now. Yes, identify the type. So 22 students have answered it. That is binomial. 2 डिग्री थी और क्या था? बाइनोमियल. 2 टर्म्स जब होती हैं तो क्या होता है बेटा? बाइनोमियल. ओके नेक्स्ट. Again identify the type and this. What is the type? Be fast. टाइप कैसी है जल्दी बताओ. सेकंड डिग्री का है, ट्राइनोमियल है, बाइनोमियल है. मैम आई हैव टोल्ड यू ना, कल बताया था मैंने कि जब हमारे पास क्या होता है 2 टर्म्स तो ट्राइनोमियल होगा, या 3 टर्म्स होंगी तो ट्राइनोमियल होगा. 3 स्टूडेंट्स लेफ्ट. बी फास्ट. टाइम अप. तो 14 से आंसर ही आई थिंक आपको अभी तक नहीं पता चला बेटा. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम टू बी रेडी फॉर दिस. देखो मैं दोबारा बता देती हूँ. दैट बाइनोमियल इज व्हेन यू हैव 2 टर्म्स. अगर आपको 2 टर्म्स दिखाई दें तो दैट इज बाइनोमियल. ठीक है. अगर 3 टर्म्स दिखाई दे, 1 2 3, बीच में प्लस माइनस का साइन हो तो क्या होगा वो, दैट इज अ ट्राइनोमियल। पावर अगर 2 दिखाई दे सो इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक। पावर अगर 3 दिखाई दे हाईएस्ट पावर तो क्या होगी उसकी डिग्री 3, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, क्यूबिक, है ना। सो yesterday's lecture we have discussed these things. So let's see the next one. Okay, let's see that who have answered it. Shreya is also in leading and Vasu 9th is also, just see the arrow here, you can see it that these students are in the fit answer string. Okay, let's see the next one. Two students have answered it. 3, 4, 9, 13, 15. So students are very fast. 9th class students are very fast. Okay. Be fast. Only 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. 24. Congratulations to all the students those who have answered it right. Okay, Moksh is also leading. He is also in lead. The polynomial of type, this is of, अगर ax square plus bx plus c हो तो क्या बोलते हैं, वो किस टाइप का पॉलिनोमियल है, लीनियर है, क्यूबिक है, क्वाड्रेटिक है, और इट इज बाई क्वाड्रेटिक. Which type of polynomial it is? Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, only बेटा ax square बोला, ax square मतलब पावर कितनी है 2, पावर कितनी है यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ax square है ना, तो पावर कितनी है दैट इज 2. अगर पावर 2 हो तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, वी कॉल्ड इट क्वाड्रेटिक, वी कॉल्ड इट क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Suchen is on first. Good. What type of polynomial is the following expression? See the degree and then the terms. पहले आप डिग्री देखो और उसके बाद टर्म्स देखो. Be fast. And is going to be up. Be fast. Okay. क्वाड्रेटिक, पावर 2 थी ना, पावर वाज 2, ठीक है, और 3 टर्म्स थी तो क्या था, ट्राइनोमियल. Suchen is again on first. Okay, who will now beat this? And Navya of 9th B is the highest climber. Okay, you can see on the screen some of you are scoring very good. कैसा पॉलिनोमियल है जल्दी बताओ. 13, सिर्फ 13 लिखा हुआ है, मैम ने क्या बताया था कल, जल्दी करो. 13, 20, टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी अप. So 18 students have answered it correctly. Let's see who are there. Very good. Again, Suchen is on first, Lakshita second, Shreya third, and you can see up to 5 place. Ishan Satija is the highest climber here. Okay. Polynomial or monomial? It is a polynomial or monomial. Very less option is there. Game pin you can see on the screen, beta. One of the student is asking 4089667. सबसे नीचे देखो यहाँ पर, ये दिखाई दे रहा होगा आपको, ठीक है. On this right hand side, down side, there is a pin here, game pin. Okay, so you can enter it. Next is, okay, 14 players have reached answer streak 3. Very good. Again, polynomial और monomial. So be fast. जल्दी करो. Monomial है या polynomial है? जल्दी करो. Very less time we have now. Okay, 15 have answered it correctly. That is monomial. सिर्फ एक ही तो टर्म थी. दो टर्म्स कहाँ से नजर आई आपको? Okay. Polynomial और monomial. Again, this one. जल्दी बताओ. Polynomial और monomial. Okay, that's right. Okay, we will play 20 questions only today. Okay, so be fast now. Suchen, Lakshita, Shreya, Moksh. What is a binomial? आपको बताना है binomial क्या होता है? 2 term, 1 term, 1000 terms or 4 terms? Hurry up, binomial. 9, 8, 7, be fast. Hurry up, hurry up. Time is going to be up. Two terms. सिर्फ 2 terms होती हैं बेटा binomial में. Okay. Sanjana is back in the game. One student is raising hand. Why it is so? Choose any option with the term as binomial. वो ऑप्शन चूज करो जिसमें 2 टर्म्स दिखाई दे रही हैं. Because time is very less here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gone. Next. So this is the last question. Identify the type of polynomial. Type बतानी है. Degree. Identify the degree. Degree बताओ properties की क्या है degree? Degree. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Be fast. 2, 1. Okay, 23 students have answered it right. Degree होती है highest power. Highest power क्या थी उसकी? 4. Okay, so let's see the score now. ठीक है, अब सीधा हम स्कोर पे जाते हैं. Now I am going to end it.